Bahala na muna kayo dyan.
Saan na kayo?
Magkaayos lang
Excuse
kami.
me. Ayos na. Sandali.
Bakit?
Wala lang.
Wala pa niyo mga kaibigan. Who and Kim Idol.
Team Idol.
Kunwari, bago ang lahat, kasi last year dito lang kami, this same venue. Pumalakpak po yung mga napunta no last time. Tatlo.
Hindi naman, 5. Hindi.
Salamat po.
When was the last time you came Berlo here?
Yeah, it's like a shit.
Mag-English tayo kasi
I cannot English. It's
we have
how to
a
stop.
very, very rich people in front of us.
Alright,
watching.
I'm so sorry, but our
Hi,
English is,
breathing.
it's epileptic. Anyway,
English,
okay,
English.
I'm Englishing. So what? No, hello, okay. We were just here like last year.
Last
End
year.
of last year.
So how was
Kim
the show
Idol.
last year?
It was, yeah.
Oh my God, I don't know what to say. That's
See,
all.
you don't know what to say also.
We would like to say hi, hello, especially me. Oh,
Wow.
Huwag na nga, dugo-ilong
Na,
natin.
you just,
Yeah, the last time,
ano?
Nyeta.
Tuloy mo!
It was 1998 when I worked here in Abu Dhabi.
Ay, talagang you
Yes.
work?
In Emirates Plaza Hotel.
Yeah.
Yeah, I used to, dance there. I was a choreographer.
Wow! Teka lang. Baka nakakaumay
Kamukha
yung
Nino.
Hindi ko,
Baka may ma-CID dito.
hindi ko, uy, huwag mo nga, hindi na nga pinapansin, binanggit pa.
Para makita nila.
Kaya wala.
So ito na nga.
Yun. So, nung last time na nandito ako, medyo malungkot ang